$8.347 in 14 days selling AI-generated Notion templates on Etsy. This is the exact Claude AI prompt sequence I used to generate Notion templates that made $8.347 in 2 weeks on Etsy. I'm going to show you my actual sales dashboard, walk through the entire template creation process in real time, and break down which template categories are converting at over 4% right now. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Claude AI to build complete Notion templates in under 10 minutes, how to optimize your Etsy listings using the exact formula that gets me a 4.2% conversion rate, and which 3 template types have the highest profit margins in 2025. Here's what I need to be honest about up front: this isn't passive income. You'll need to create multiple templates, test different designs, and optimize your listings. My first week I made $340. The $8.347 came after I figured out what actually sells. I'm going to show you that process so you can skip the trial and error I went through. Step 1. Identifying high profit template categories. The 3 template categories that make me the most money are budget trackers, content calendars for creators, and habit trackers. Here's why these specific ones work. Budget trackers sell consistently because people search for them year-round, especially at month start. My budget tracker templates sell for $6.99 and cost me nothing to produce. That's a 100% profit margin minus Etsy's fees. Content calendars for creators are exploding right now because everyone's trying to be consistent on social media. I sell these for $8.99, and they're my highest volume product. Habit trackers are the dark horse. Lower search volume, but buyers who want them really want them. I charge $7.99, and these have my highest conversion rate at 5.1%. The mistake most people make is creating generic productivity templates. You need to niche down. My best selling budget tracker isn't just a budget tracker, it's specifically for Etsy sellers tracking business expenses. That specificity makes it convert. Step 2. The Claude AI prompt sequence. This is the exact process I use. I'm going to generate a content calendar template live right now so you can see this works. First prompt. I need to create a Notion template for a social media content calendar. The target user is a small business owner managing Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. List the essential database properties, views, and features. This template needs to be genuinely useful. Be specific about property types. Claude gives you the framework. Look at this output. It's suggesting database properties like platform as a multi-select, post status as a select, publish date as a date property. This is exactly what you need. Second prompt. Create a detailed structure for this Notion template. Provide 1. All database properties with their exact property types. 2. For different database views with specific filters and sorts. 3. A brief user guide explaining how to use each view. Now Claude is giving you the complete blueprint. See how it's specifying that the calendar view should filter by status, is not archived, and sort by publish date? This is professional level template design. Third prompt. Write the template description and user instructions I should include in the Notion template itself. Make it clear, beginner, friendly, and under 200 words. Then write a separate quick start guide with 5 numbered steps. This is what separates a $3 template from a $9 template. Clear instructions mean fewer customer questions and better reviews. Now here's the part people miss. You actually have to build the template in Notion using Claude's blueprint. I'm going to do this in fast forward, but I'm building exactly what Claude specified. 8 minutes from start to finish. This template is now ready to sell. Step 3. Etsy listing optimization formula. This is the formula that gets me a 4.2% conversion rate. Most Etsy templates convert at 1-2%, so this matters. Title formula, plus Notion template plus my title for this template, content. Calendar Notion template for social media, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest planner, small business organization. The first image is a clean mock-up showing the template in use with fake but realistic data. Not empty databases, show it populated. I use Canva for these mock-ups, free version works fine. Images 2, for show the different views. Calendar view, table view, board view. 1 image per view. Image 5 is a text-based graphic listing the key features. For custom views, content status tracking, multi-platform support, beginner friendly guide, description structure, first 2 lines, what it is and who it's for, bullet list of features, how to use it, what's included, FAQ section answering the top 3 questions.